Hello, everybody. This is Felix Ngambule, a mediator, a pastor, a founder of a church and many organizations. I want to greet you all. Today, I want to speak about a very simple topic: conflict prevention. Conflict prevention. In this channel, we're going to be helping people to prevent conflict at workplace, at home, and also with friends. We're going to be putting many information around here. Please like our page and subscribe so that every video that is going to be posted, you will be the first one to see it. Thank you very much. Shalom.